Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Samsung TV error code 107. Now, Samsung code error code 107 is basically in general, a code or indication that there is an issue with smart TV's internet connection or with the Open API. Open API stands for Application Programming Interface, which is a set of rules that governs how computers or applications communicate with one another. So there are 6 simple fixes for this. First is to check the network status. Because this is an internet error, you will need to check the status of your internet. So click home, navigate to settings, select network in the general menu, and then select network status. On the screen, you will see, the connection status of TV or router. So if there is a red X between the router and the internet, you need to troubleshoot the router. So again, if you cannot identify the culprit of the error code 107, you can also try following other methods to solve this problem. So second thing is to troubleshoot the connection to the router. So if you have a wired connection, try to restart the router, or if you have a Wi-Fi connection, then try to also restart the router and try to connect it once again, right? So ensure that all of the cables are connected to the router and are well connected. If necessary, you can unplug the cables and then also the power cable as well, and restart the router as well with as Samsung TV as well. So restart the Samsung TV. Third thing is to change the router configuration. Now, for example, each router host has a tiny web page that you can access and configure, but its address usually consists of numbers. So the common IP addresses are as follows. So this is for the D-Link or Netgear, but obviously for you it will be different, right? You will need to go and check in with your operator to see which IP addresses are suitable for you. But I wouldn't really mess around with this unless it's really like an error, it's not working for you, solving the error. So basically what I would do is reset Samsung TV network settings. This is what usually gets the job done. And also what usually gets the job done is restarting the entire Samsung TV. So click the home or source button, go to settings, general, and then network, and then choose reset network and click yes. Now click the network settings button to set them again, and this time you can even connect the TV to a different network. So try that, and then obviously update the TV firmware. This is just software update, so go to settings, support, and then software update, and update now. So yeah, this is what I would do. Update the app, update the internet, reset the internet, and then I will try it again. So hopefully this fixes your issues. If it did, leave a like down below, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video.